वरहमतुल्लाहि वबरकातुह। आइए आज कुछ ग्रामर की गलतियाँ पढ़ते हैं जो हम सब करते हैं। The police is coming. The police are coming. Nothing is more better than this. Nothing is better than this. It was a blunder mistake. It was a blunder. Whose bag is this? Whose bag is this? She speaks English good. She speaks English well. Our shop is near to the bank. Our shop is near to the bank. Our shop is near the bank. Our shop is close to the bank. He asked me, where do I live? He asked me where I live. Everybody are sad. Everybody is sad. Every student like the video. Every student likes the video. I did not meet nobody. I did not meet anybody. I cannot do this. I cannot do this. My father wanted that I be an engineer. My father wanted me to be an engineer. Today morning I woke up late. This morning I woke up late. What's the difference? What's the difference? Divide it between the children in class. Divide it among the children in class.